Good morning, class 6. So, in chapter fractions, today we'll discuss comparing like and unlike fraction. The first topic that we'll discuss today is comparison of fractions. Like fractions or unlike fractions. So, when we have like fractions, say for example, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 1 upon 8. What do we observe? When do we say like fractions? कल अपन ने डिस्कस किया था, जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो वो like fractions हो जाएंगे. All these are like fractions. So in that condition, higher, greater numerator, any fraction which has the greater numerator will be greater in value. So since the denominator is same in the set of like fractions. Okay, so the fraction having the numerator of higher value will be greater. Now, for example, certain examples: 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 3 upon 10, 9 upon 10, 4 upon 21, 9 upon 21, 6 upon 15, 3 upon 15. Now let us compare. Their denominators are same, they are like fractions. Higher numerator is 4. So 2 upon 7 is smaller than 4 upon 7, or 4 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. Denominator same, they are like fraction. It is a set of like fractions. Higher numerator is 9. 9 is greater than 3. So 9 upon 10 will be greater than 3 upon 10. Denominator same, like fractions hai. Denominator is 21. So we can see 9 is greater than 4. So 9 upon 21 is greater than 4 upon 21. Or you can say 4 upon 21 is smaller than 9 upon 21. 6 upon 15 and 3 upon 15. Denominator same as 15. We know that 6 is greater than 3. 6 upon 15 is greater than 3 upon 15. Or 3 upon 15 is smaller than 6 upon 15. Right? Now, in unlike fractions, the denominators are distinct, अलग-अलग होते हैं. Okay, so we have to equal बनाना पड़ेगा. We have to equalize the denominators. कैसे equalize करेंगे? By using LCM. Playing with numbers. In that chapter we have discussed LCM and HCF, least common multiple. Then what happens? Once we have, by taking LCM, we can equalize the denominators. अब denominator equal हो गए तो numerator को compare कर लो. Later means after equalizing the denominator, by comparing their numerators, we can pick the larger or the smaller fraction. इसको समझते हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल से. से आई हैव टू कंपेयर 2/3 and 4/5. फॉर इंस्टेंस हमें इन दोनों को कंपेयर करना है, विच इज लार्जर और विच इज स्मॉलर. सो आई हैव ए नंबर 3 and I have number 5. They both are prime numbers. So when you have two prime numbers and you have to find their LCM, it is simple, multiply them both. So 3 into 5, 15. So 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM, least common multiple. मैं दोबारा आपको बता देता हूँ. जैसे 3 की टेबल लिख ली, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, so on. 5 का टेबल लिख लिया, 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. So these are multiples of 3, these are multiples of 5. Okay? तो सबसे पहला ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो दोनों में आता है? 15. आगे आप देखेंगे 3 के टेबल में 30 आता है, 5 के टेबल में भी 30 आता है. 30 is also a common multiple, but the least common multiple is 15, that is LCM. So we have to make the denominators as 15. So 2/3. Denominator को अकेले को multiply नहीं कर सकते. So both numerator and denominator are multiplied by 5. This becomes 10/15. Now second fraction, 4/5. This 5 is to be made into 15. So we have to multiply it by 3. Numerator will also be multiplied by 3. 12/15. Okay. Now compare these two. Their denominators are same. Then compare the numerators. Which is greater? 12 बड़ा या 10 बड़ा? 12 is greater obviously. So we can say 10/15 is smaller than 12/15. But we are not comparing 10/15 and 12/15. We are comparing 2/3 and 4/5. So 10/15 means what? 2/3. It is smaller than 12/15 means what? 4/5. So this is how we compare unlike fractions by equalizing the denominators and using the concept of LCM. अब ये दोनों denominators prime numbers थे. We have taken prime numbers. Let us see if we have composite numbers. Okay. Say for instance, we have to compare 5/8 and 7/12. 5/8 and 7/12. Now 8 and 12, we have to find their LCM. Okay, the best way to find LCM, children, prime factorization मैंने बताया था, exactly वैसे ही 8 and 12. See what is the first number that can divide? 2. 2 goes 4 times, 2 goes 6 times. 2 goes 2 times in 4, 2 goes 3 times. Now 2 goes 1 time in 2, but 2 is not divisible in 3. As it is, लिख दो. Now 3 goes 1 time. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 21. So LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 24. एक और मेथड, थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा वो मेथड, क्योंकि अगर आपके पास बड़े नंबर आएंगे ग्रेटर मैग्नीट्यूड वाले, तो आपको प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से ही करना पड़ेगा. टेबल वाले मेथड से नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको बता दूं. 8 टेबल ऑफ 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 एंड सो ऑन. 12 का टेबल 12, 24, 36, 48. अब देखो 8 के टेबल में 24 आ रहा है, 12 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है. 8 के टेबल में 48 आता है, 12 के टेबल में भी आता है. So 24 is a multiple, common multiple of 8 and 12. 48 is also common multiple of 8 and 12. इन multiples में सबसे least कौन सा है? Least is 24. So least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. Now we have to make the denominators as 24. 5/8 24 बनाना है तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से, तो न्यूमरेटर को भी 3 से करेंगे 15/24. नाउ वी हैव 7/12. इसको 24 बनाना है किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 यू गेट 14/24. नाउ by using the concept of LCM we have converted these unlike fractions into like fractions. We have equalized their denominators. अब डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो नंबर बड़ा. सो 15 और 14 में लार्जर क्या है 15 इज ग्रेटर देन 14/24. 15/24 ग्रेटर देन 14/24. So how did we get 15/24 or which fraction has become 15/24? 5/8 is greater than 14/24 means 7/12. Understood children? So अगर आपके पास like fractions हैं आप easily उनको compare कर सकते हो. If you have unlike fractions use the concept of LCM, convert them into like fractions, then compare the numerators. जिसका numerator बड़ा वो fraction बड़ा. Hope you understood the concept. Try to solve the questions based on this concept.